Makhosini sanibonani, ngiyasanibonani ngathemba niyaphila. Ngizozama ukuthi ngikhulume fast ngoba ngiyanqena ukukhuluma voice note end. So I'm getting a lot of questions about this. Why my ex is calling? Why am I dreaming of my ex? Ngiphuphe sijabule, ngiphuphe ngathi siyabuyisana, ngiphuphe this and this and this. So in short, when you dream of your ex, ex wakho represent your past life. So it means njengoba umphupha engathi khona into eniyenzayo manibuyisana, it means there's something that you are doing right now eyayik affecta before, so now seyenzeka kahle. Basically ungakhohlwa, okay, how am I going to structure this? Ungakhohlwa ukuthi siku Mercury retrograde plus Venus retrograde. I explained to you ukuthi Mercury communication, it also affects our relationship. Venus, it's for our relationships. So whatever mistake that oyenzile in your love relationship izobuya try to tempt you again, even if in a form of ex physically, akufonele physically, akhulume nawe physically, ubuyela ukukulinga, ubuyela ukukufundisa isifundo again. If kunesifundo ongasifundanga, if he cheated, if toxic, if bengakuhloniphi, if abuse financially, emotionally and otherwise, afike seguqa ngamadolo exolisa athi umuntu oseshintshile, uzokufundisa isifundo again ngoba uzophinda kuphinde futhi until ufunde isifundo sokuthi uma udlulile. Kukancane kube kunalento ethi la kama khona amanzi aphinde ame futhi leyo nto isikhathi esiningi yenzeka nini if ekade engaqhaphazanga, engakabusanga, mhlawumbe vele wathola umsebenzi noma kubo bamthathile esikoleni kwathiwa wena ngeke usafunda la, usiyofunda ngale emafarm noma usiyofunda eGoli. Then when he comes back, ukuthando lithi rekindle again, not lokuqhaphazile wabukisa ngawe ezweni lonke, wakumithisa, wakushiya nengane mase shawe umhlaba usefuna ukubuya kwena. No, lo usuke ethunyiwe ukuzokufundisa isifundo. Kunejoke ehleze yenziwa kuthiwa usuke ethunywe ezokuqedela. Indeed usuke ethunywe ezokuqedela. Even in dreams there is a life lesson that okumele uyifunde, and it will come back njalo. If there is a retrograde, it will come back until you learn your lesson. Mawusuyifundile lesson yakho, usuzoyeka nokuphupha ubhala test uyifeyila, usuzoyeka nokuphupha ubhala test sowake wayibhala, usekuzowancipha namaphupho okuyibona ukuyigrade owake wayifunda before. So if this happens in your life, sit down, relax, breathe. That's the main aim here, retrograde. So in universe or umhlaba or imoya or energies asuke nawe to make those decisions, because it's retrograding, it's introspection, it's inward energy. Hlala phansi, zibuze ukuthi yini lesifunde engasifundanga engizofundiswa sona again. Bese uzothi cha unamanga mhlaba, unamanga retrograde, unamanga ex, I'm not falling for the same trap again. Angeke ngikhutshwe isikhisi esifanayo again. I have learned my lessons. Name them. Uzwabhale phansi uyishisa incwadi. That is how umkhipha kwena. Ubhale sibanibani wangenza ukuthi nowangenza ukuthi angisakufuni, phuma uphele empilweni yami, angikudingi. Ulishise lelo phepha, uliflashe netoilet. Abanye bayabhale balifake ebhodleleni, bahamba ulitshinga ehlathini noma balitshinga emfuleni ohambayo, umkhiphe kwena phume kuwe. Don't fall for the same trap over and over and over again.